we all know what it's like to be in a rush and you have to get yourself ready, which is why today we're learning how to do the easiest glam eye.
Lifestyle and beauty expert Mickey Williams is back to break it all down for us. Okay, Mickey, help.
Yeah.
Is all I can say.
Glam does not come fast.
Yeah, it does.
Working as a makeup artist and dealing with celebrities that were notoriously late, you would have to make them glam so fast. And so I would just do this thing that I used to call a halo eye, right?
Okay.
And I would just wet an eyeshadow and I would throw it on them and I would create like a contoured like around their eye, like halo their whole eye. But then I just met Summer, my model, who just walked in and I was like, oh my gosh, she has the most beautiful eyes that look like they have eyeshadow already on them because she has that natural groove in her eye.
Yep.
So I'm gonna create the halo eye on her and I'm gonna accentuate those.
Okay.
So we just met her, so I'm super excited. So
Okay.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a micellar water. You can use pretty much any micellar water that you want.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in something like a cutie jar or a little cup like this, and I'm gonna take a flat synthetic brush that looks just like this.
Oh, okay. Like an eyeshadow brush.
Yeah, I mean, you could use a fluffy one, but the problem is you're not gonna be able to lay it down as finely as you
Yes.
would.
Okay.
So you're just gonna dip into whatever, you know, your micellar water, take a little excess off, and you're gonna go into a shadow. And you're gonna start turning that shadow into a cream. I don't know if you can see that.
Yep.
It just starts to wet. I love this one size palette. This is the Wicked palette. And see
Ooh,
how that
that's
looks on my
pretty.
hand?
Yeah, look at that shine.
Now, why you use micellar water and just not a water is because once that water evaporates, that oil is going to make it bond to the eyelid, and it just
Okay.
goes so beautiful. So go
You
ahead and
don't
close
shouldn't
for me.
have primer on her eyelids or anything.
Nothing. I'm just
Okay.
going to go ahead. And this was my little go-to thing when anybody would walk in, and everyone would say, "Oh my gosh, it's so glamorous. You made the most glamorous eyes."
That is a great color on her too.
I know. I mean, anything could work with this set of eyes, huh? But
so
what's so
pretty.
great about this is she has a liner already there that draws where I should start and where I should stop.
Yep.
But truthfully, what you could do is use like a little brush to go this way, and you don't necessarily need to have that liner on. You could just do this eye and this eye alone, making it a little heavier wherever you want, and going in there and laying it down. Look how beautiful
it's
this
pretty.
is. Working with it, adding a little bit more water if you need to thin it out. And then we can go
So
in
you're
there.
only doing one part of the lid.
Wow.
Yes, I'm going right up to the brow bone. Now, depending upon how much look you want, you can go over the bone, you can go right into there. I'm just going right into that crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye.
And that's it?
So it's kind of a smoky eye, but
I mean, depending upon what color you use,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So just making sure that you blend it and you go right in there. Now, this is very similar to what you would do with a cream shadow.
Yeah.
What I like about this is that it's just super, super fine, very, very thin, and it just stays on the eye. Look how gorgeous
well, and
this
sometimes
is.
cream eyeshadows I feel like dry too fast where you can't move them where you need them.
Yes. Now, if you want to have a little bit more intensity, you can go back over with that color. And I'm going to show you my last little trick that I used to do, which I just loved. Go ahead and look.
Look at those eyes! Wow.
Now, she can wear this color, but some people might be like, that's not the right color for me. In the tutorial that I did, I actually used this soft pink color, and it really just created like a highlight to the eye.
Yeah.
So go ahead and look up for me. Now I'm gonna just go underneath and give her a little bit underneath. And when you go underneath, that's what they were saying, it always created this kind of like halo of a glow around the eye.
Oh, wow.
So pretty.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, would it have come off as great if she hadn't actually lined her eyes already?
It would just look like a shadow, and I always say when you do this line, when you do this kind of shadow, you want to make sure you put a darker mascara on over it, unless you're going for that kind of like Space Odyssey look when using brighter colors.
Okay.
But this halo eye is just so much fun. That's just one single color. Okay. Now, if you wanted to add a little bit more to that, you could. You could go in with a little bit deeper colors. If you want to wet it, I mean, come on, we're all
Would
talking
you
about
go
wetting.
dark in the crease with that? Or
You
how
could.
would you? Okay.
I was just saying this is the fastest way to get glam.
Yeah.
You could spend as much time on it
yeah.
as you want. Look all the way up. But if you want to just go back and add a little bit more of a line
I
there,
gotcha.
you can go in. You can truly use eyeshadow as a liner. You can use it as anything you want.
Yeah.
It's just, the dedication of time
And I
that you want
think
to put
the
in.
micellar water helps you to be able to control it a little bit better
And
as
it
well.
just creates, like it turns anything into a cream, but then it sticks.
Yeah.
You know, so I like
Stays
that.
where you need
and
it.
it stays all day. I love, love, love this look. It's so easy.
Look
You
at
can
that.
do
That
it with
was
any
simple.
color.
That looks great on you, Summer.
Okay, yeah, beautiful.
Fantastic.
I should kind of walk around the office like this. Look at me, look at me. Oh, great. And this works with lighter and darker colors?
Anything you want, matte, shimmery. We just kind of amped it up a little bit
the
because
shimmer,
I just saw this hair color in that
the
liner.
Oh, yeah.
And you know, using the Wicked palette, I felt like we should do a little bit of
Green,
the green,
yeah.
right? So
yeah.
I do love it, but it's just one of those things. I mean, maybe this isn't something for you every day, so if you do want to go with a more muted color, the beauty of it is you can go darker where you want, you can go lighter where you want, you can create just a little sheen around the eye. I love this eye, that halo kind of casting around the eye just creates the recession that you need to make your eye stand out. But then when you add that black mascara or you add a little bit of liner to it, it creates a very dimensional effect. And you can do it in like 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, that's what I
Mickey.
need.
Yeah,
All
no
right,
kidding,
Get
right?
ready to walk out the door. All right, Mickey, thank you. Mickey Williams Glam on YouTube is where you can get more tutorials.
Yeah, they're great.
Thanks, Mickey.